We got more saws. We have the Poland 3800. We've got the Husqvarna 460 Rancher. And we got the Stihl 029 Super. We got the Stihl Wood Boss 028 AV. And we got the Stihl 046 Magnum. Those Stihls are some oldies but goodies. And I'm going to enjoy taking a look at them and working on them, trying to get them running again. I don't see too much of that stuff around here for me. But we're going to check them out and we're going to get them running. So stay tuned. Keep your eye out for these saws coming up in the future. Have a good one, everybody.